Over the past couple of years, we've talked about a number of different gaming platforms on the channel, from play-to-earn games to move-to-earn projects to traditional gaming and even some sports betting and traditional gambling platforms. And recently, I did invest in a new crypto project called Megadice, symbol DICE. It's currently in its pre-sale, and one DICE token is equal to 0.069. You can get it with Solana, Ethereum, BNB, and they've already raised over $327,000 in their pre-sale. It's only been available for a very short period of time. You can go ahead and just do it directly on their website, and you can go ahead and play their platform already, participate in their games. But the cool thing about this platform is that we've talked about a number of wagering platforms like this before and betting platforms like this before, but this one is completely unique in a few different ways. With Megadice, they already are rapidly growing. They have a strong community with over 50,000 players already, and it's not like a new casino. It's really that they're adding value to their community. They have over 4,000 games from top providers, 50 plus sports and esports. They have 10,000 plus active monthly players, 50,000 players total, and $50 million every single month that's wagered. So the thing that's very different about Megadice, and you see all this in their white paper, is that they talk about, with their vast selection of 4,500 games, ranging from casino games to game shows, they really cater to a diverse gaming audience, not just gaming, not just gambling, a very diverse audience. They have sports as well. They talk about their sports book, encompasses over 60 sports, market-leading odds to enhance excitement in every match. And they talk about how also they have, beyond traditional gaming, they have crypto futures trading where players can earn rewards in dice while trading with leverage up to 1,000x. So it's not just a gaming platform. They have crypto trading, they have traditional gaming, they have gambling, they have sportsbook, they have basically everything. And the cool thing about DICE is that they have their native ecosystem token, DICE, which is going to add a lot of value to the holders long term, because ultimately people who are holding the token and staking it are going to earn some additional rewards that we'll go over in a minute. But right now they also have something with their airdrop. They have an airdrop for casino players that's going to be worth $2.25 million plus for an airdrop, and it's divided into 3 different seasons. Season 1 says join the excitement with a stake in our $750,000 airdrop. Stay active, hit a wager volume of $5,000 USD within 21 days, and enjoy retroactive rewards. Season 2 is going to say don't miss out on your share of the $750,000 airdrop. Wager with any cryptocurrency from pre-sale to token launch and win big based on expected launch value. And so Season 3 is going to be grab a piece of another $750,000 airdrop pie. Keep your game strong with 21 days and wager at least $5,000 retroactively. So all of these different seasons are going to be ways where people can earn money in an airdrop simply by actively participating with the community, owning some, and participating with the DICE token. Talk about their features. These are pretty important in my opinion. With the features, a few things stand out. The first is going to be really important, and that is daily rewards to holders based on casino performance. So no other platform does this. And this is that ultimately for holders of DICE that have their tokens staked, they introduce their first of its kind daily rewards based on the performance of Megadice Casino. So now everyone can share in the success of this casino, and ultimately there is no better way to take part in a casino, because it's almost like you're a part, like you're generating almost like a dividend, like a reward for simply owning and holding the token and staking it. So simply by staking the token as the platform continues to grow, out of that $50 million plus monthly wagering, as they earn money on that, as Megadice earns money on these wagers, well then you would also earn daily rewards as well for owning DICE tokens and staking them. They talk about limited edition NFTs. So select holders of DICE and Megadice players will receive limited edition NFTs that will give access to special privileges and rewards, or can be traded on the market, says the choice is yours. Early bird bonuses. Early participants in the pre-sale receive bonus DICE tokens, increase their initial investment value. Gaming ecosystem. The DICE token is seamlessly integrated to Megadice Casino, offering exclusive access, rewards, and benefits. And then the last is really the referral program. So DICE holders can enjoy a generous 25% rev share through the Megadice referral program. To actually take part in it, it's very simple and easy to do. We basically all know how to buy into a pre-sale. We talk about them all the time on the channel, but more importantly is going to be claiming. Claiming is going to be available once the pre-sale ends, so you can claim your DICE tokens after the pre-sale ends, and they'll talk all about this on their website, on their social media platforms. And you can see right now on socials, they have around 26 to 27,000 followers on X, and they have some of the biggest names also in the crypto space following them. Moving on a bit, let's look at their tokenomics. So in terms of their tokenomics, Mega Dice, and the symbol DICE, is a Solana-based project. They talk about this on X, and they talk about this on their website. That's why they brand themselves as being the #1 GameFi on Sol. So if we look at the tokenomics, it's pretty attractive for community because 35% of the tokens are going to be allocated for the pre-sale. Makes it a very much community-driven project. 15% for airdrops. Again, that's very important because it shows you how incentivized the community is long term. 15% to LP, 15% to casino dice pool, 10% to staking rewards, 5% to marketing and KOL deals, and 5% to affiliates. So ultimately, more than half of the total supply is allocated to rewards, community involvement, airdrops, pre-sale. That's exactly what you want to see for a project like this, is that a vast majority of the token is for building the project for the community and rewarding the community. That is exactly what you want to see. You can look all this information on their white paper, and we went over it briefly here. But one thing I do also want to point out here is with their casino license, they have been able to, secure the gaming, their license. You can see verify our license by clicking the gaming Currico logo in the footer on our website, and you can see all that information right there. And we scroll down a little bit, the last thing I really want to go over is with this white paper. You can see it's pretty extensive and detailed. It talks about how they're currently in phase 1, which is pre-sale and marketing, which starts on a level playing field with a fair pre-sale. The team will allocate a portion of funds raised towards a professional marketing strategy. Then into phase 2, pre-sale token claiming to ensure a fair launch for Mega Dice. Pre-sale buyers will be able to claim their token from the website at the same time as a DEX listing. Phase 3, allocated liquidity provision. The Mega Dice team will add a substantial liquidity pool. For this purpose, 10% of the total supply has been set aside. Stage 4 is early staking incentives. Pre-sale buyers of Mega Dice will be able to stake their tokens in the smart contract before listing day to benefit from the high early rewards opportunity. And then stage 5 is DEX launch. The Mega Dice will launch on DEXs. This will provide the best trading environment and early liquidity. So ultimately, this token is building off of a platform that has done very, very well already. Their gaming platform, like I said, has thousands and thousands of games across a number of different sectors, from traditional betting to sports to sports book games, traditional games. They have all these different games, and that's been proven by the fact that they have now over 50,000 players that enjoy playing these games, with 10,000 of them playing every single month. So this is a token that's just going to enhance Mega Dice's platform already. They have a working platform. They have tens of thousands of users. They generate, tens of millions of dollars in monthly wagers, and now with this token, this is going to add a lot more value to the community because people who hold it are going to be able to generate passive rewards from money that Mega Dice makes. They're going to have other benefits within the game for using the tokens as well on the platform. Like I said, you can use it for crypto futures trading. You can generate rewards in DICE tokens. You're going to be able to use DICE tokens for other things in a variety of different games on their platform. And because of this is why I did invest in this platform, because gaming is expected to be one of the largest sectors in the crypto market for this bull market, and it's expected to just continue to grow, continue to help reach millions and millions of people worldwide and get millions of people into the crypto space, because gaming and gambling is projected to be a multi-$100 billion market over the next few years. And because of that, I think Mega Dice has a good chance of taking a large portion of that market.